Welcome students. In 11th standard, subject chemistry, chapter chemistry in everyday life. Students, we know there are many daily routine things which are related to chemistry. The life, the atmosphere, and the earth and the universe all have evolved over billions of years to the present state. And many things related to all these around us, they are from chemistry. Synthetic organic chemistry has led to advancement in science. Synthetic of natural molecules and new molecules with structural variation revolutionized materials are used in all the walks of human life. This influence is seen in all aspects of basic needs such as food, clothing, shelter, and beyond. In this chapter, we consider some aspect of food chemistry, medicinal chemistry, and chemistry of cleansing material with reference to compounds having simple structural features. So students, in this particular video, we are going to concentrate on medicinal chemistry. Okay, medicinal chemistry. So first we'll see compounds with medicinal properties. Compounds with medicinal properties. Students, mainly two types of compounds which have medicinal properties we know. A chemical which interacts with biomolecules such as carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids and produces a biological response is called drug. We have seen the definition of drug. Generally, we use the word medicine, the medicine which we use to cure the disease. What is the definition of medicine? A drug having therapeutic and useful biological response is used as medicine. A medicine contains a drug as its active ingredient. Besides, it contains some additional chemicals which make the drug suitable for its use as medicine. Medicines are used in diagnosis, prevention, and treatment of disease. Drugs, being foreign substances in a body, often give rise to undesirable adverse side effects. Okay, there are some characteristics of ideal drug. What is the meaning of ideal drug, students? An ideal drug is one which destroys the disease causing organisms but does not harm the human body, which does not disturb physiological processes, which has minimum side effects. It should be localized to affected site. So there are certain characteristics of ideal drug. Now we'll move to next point, that is drug design. Drug design, it is important branch of medicinal chemistry which aims at synthesis of new molecules having better biological response. It is important branch of medicinal chemistry which aims at synthesis of new molecules having better biological response. There is an increasing trend in the current research in medicinal chemistry to take recognize of traditional medical knowledge such as Ayurvedic medicine or natural materials to discover new drugs. In this section, we consider some simple compounds having medicinal properties and active ingredients of some natural materials. Those are traditionally known as or known to possess medicinal properties. Students, many times we heard or we hear the word generic medicines. What are generic medicines? The drug manufacturing companies usually have a patent for drugs which are sold with the brand name. After the expiry of patent of drug can be sold in the name of its active ingredient. These are called generic medicines. Therefore, students, many times in medical stores we used to hear that generic medicines are less expensive. Okay, so there are, students, drugs have very big class, and therefore classification of drugs is very important. It is very essential. Classification of drug is done on different basis. Classification based on pharmacological effect, classification based on action of drugs, classification based on chemical structure, classification based on molecular targets, classification of drugs by lay public, etc. Now we will move to traditional knowledge of medicines. When we say traditional knowledge, students, we should know the reality about the turmeric patent battle. Turmeric is very important thing, and India won the legal against America or US Patent and Trademark Office in 1997 and protected its intellectual property of traditional Indian knowledge about turmeric against patenting. Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar, the then Director General of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, New Delhi, led this case and upheld the national pride. In this year, long battle at the CSIR argued the turmeric Indian plant had been used for centuries by its people for wound healing. Since ancient things or ancient medicinal system of India has documented medicinal uses of innumerable Indian plants. We have many plants and know their medicinal properties. The ancient medicinal system of India has documented innumerable Indian plants. There is an increasing trend in modern medicinal chemistry to make use of traditional knowledge from various parts of world to isolate active ingredients from medicinal plants and further develop new drugs. Students, now I will tell you some plants and its medicinal property. Okay, turmeric. As I said, turmeric is very important plant in this class and it has antiseptic medicinal property. Wintergreen oil. You must have heard wintergreen oil. It is analgesic. Cinnamon, which we say dalchini, it has antimicrobial property. Clove, lavang, it has antimicrobial as well as analgesic property. Citrus fruits, it is a class, it has antioxidant property. Then amla or Indian gooseberry, it has anti-diabetic, antimicrobial, antioxidant property. Students, therefore they are very important plants in our day-to-day life. Okay, so